I'm Samson, ready for an overview of the latest product news in few seconds? Let's go! First of all, not one, not two, but 3 new dedicated server ranges are available now. Scale servers will help you to increase your IT capacity, and they are specifically designed for complex and high resiliency infrastructures. High-grade servers are for taking advantage of our most powerful servers, specially optimized for critical loads. Game servers are built from scratch to provide the ultimate online gaming experience. On public cloud side now, say goodbye to sandbox instances. And hello to discovery instances. For all those who want to start their public cloud journey, our brand new entry-level instances are set to deliver a great initial experience. Let's talk about MongoDB as a service now. Thanks to a recent partnership with MongoDB, combining both our expertise, we joined forces to deliver a solution to facilitate innovation and data governance in the cloud. Another partnership, this time about Platform as a Service with Platform.sh. It is a collaborative CI/CD development platform designed for developers to build, deploy, and run web applications. This partnership provides a platform as a service with the best performance-price ratio, hosted by a trusted cloud provider. There are 3 types of offers: Start, Develop, and Expert. For a safe ending, you are probably already familiar with our CDN solution, so just for you to know, we have made it stronger with a new CDN Security option. In short, we have added several new features. I'm running out of time, so that's all for now.